Oh, look at here. We got a red light on a on a pole, and they got two of them. One up kind of high and one down low. Look at that. This car's waiting. It's green. We can go now. Well, I wish you'd look at that. They got all that debris up. Ain't that wonderful? Got it looking good. We got big tree stumps here. They may get them up because they got a lot of equipment right here. Look at that little thing. That's a little concrete pack, asphalt packer. And that's your good old Bobcat John Deere looking thing. Ain't that something? All right, this is the other end of the driveway for these people here. And the edges have been breaking for quite a while. A big log hit the road, and right on the edge of it, the edge, it left a big old kind of like a crater. And it was just getting worse and worse. So they had to fix it. Well, look at where I'm at. This is where they put up the duck sign and Easter bunny and baby Jesus. And that's the other lights that are allowing people to come down here one at a time. All right, it's green, they go. Look at them, happy to be going. All right, it has a camera. Let me see if I can zoom in on the camera. Might not get it focused. But they got a solar panel on this one. It might have had it on the other, but I just didn't see it. What up? Now it's red. What the hell is making that noise? That's the camera I just showed you.